Hi, hey everyone. Good morning. It is the 9th of April, 2021. It is Saturday. It's early in the morning. Well, not that early. It's around 11 a.m. And we're just walking here. And I realized that my time gave out on the last excerpt yesterday. And I just wanted to say I didn't get to talk about the theory of the true theory behind the quantum proton, which is really the original energy, the fifth element they just discovered at CERN. Well, that's not a good idea, Zoe. That's an electrical box. I hope that's not hooked up, because you go zappy. Come on, get out of there. I guess they're keeping the old analog, obviously, just in case digital doesn't work, the digital age of quantum. What if the digital age of photon doesn't work? But it does work, because that's what we are originally. And we evolved or de-evolved from the original proton, which is this thing here. The G particle up there somewhere. There's a little particle in that energy that is photon. We are photon energy after all. Without photon energy, we would not exist in the material realm, or in maybe any other realm. Maybe we would. Because photon might morph, and it does change. It obviously has 5 elements, so it has 5 major breaks of energy, which might mean 5 different levels of proton collapse. The original collapse was a slough, and then the rest might have been neoprotonic discharge, or trying to get back to the original proton, which seems all chemicals are trying to do that. That's why there's catalytic events. Catalytic events, like the Big Bang. It's just like the sun is half, it's dual. It has a proton and a neutron in it that re-energizes to get to that point of critical mass, a 0 point, which is probably that point where we return to the complete protoplasm return. The protoplasm return. I think the ancients knew about this. I think they had different filters on their minds, their brains, their souls, their eyes, or other senses that they had. We don't have anymore because of neutron decay and the generations that go by. So obviously that's what's happening. So figured out it's spring in a pandemic. Again, the second spring in a pandemic, which means what? We haven't found out everything yet. If we have, we would have cured this thing before now. We would have been at homeostasis. I think that we can achieve homeostasis. I believe it can be. I think we already do. I don't think we have to work on it. I think it already happens. I think that's what non-dual people believe. Just let it go, because we didn't ask for any of this experience. This experience was thrust on us. I don't believe we have a choice in this and that. We wouldn't choose. Why would any human being choose any of the bad stuff that happens, right? It would not happen. It's other entities that may be in control right now in the dual nature of our somewhat scanty existence. Scanty or what? Yeah. It could definitely be. And that could be what they call skanky, scanty existence, which means that it wasn't what we ordered. It's like getting the wrong order of things. And where are you going? Come on. So anyway, it's very beautiful out. Fresh. You can feel the fresh spring green, the grass growing. You can feel the earth coming to life with that energy charge we get every year. And it is, I noticed it is like a beautiful purple color coming through. And then everything gets recharged to life. And seems that life has a frequency. Life is a frequency. And all that is what it is. I'm not going that way. We're going back. Come on. No? Wait. Where do you want to go? Okay. I got to go, guys. Bye, Z's.